In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Confluence. Now, hyperlinks are a crucial part of working in Confluence, making it easy to connect your pages to other content, whether that's on your site or elsewhere on the web. So, let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your Confluence homepage. This is the gateway to all your workspaces and pages, where everything you need is easily accessible. From here, you'll want to select the workspace where the page you want to edit is located. This step is important because workspaces help you organize your projects, teams, or topics into manageable sections. Once you've got your workspace open, find the specific page in which you'd like the hyperlink to appear and click on it. After the page has loaded, look for the Edit button, usually at the top right of your screen. Clicking on Edit will open the page in editor mode, allowing you to make changes to the content. Confluence's editing interface is quite user-friendly, with a toolbar across the top that provides easy access to various formatting options. Next, highlight the text you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. It's always best to choose a concise, descriptive segment of text that accurately represents the content of the link. This way, anyone clicking on it knows exactly what to expect. Once your text is highlighted, locate the Link option in the toolbar. The icon often looks like a simple chain link, which is quite fitting. Clicking on Link will prompt a new window where you can paste the URL you want to link to. Make sure to verify that the link is correct before pasting it, as a broken hyperlink can lead to frustration and confusion for users trying to navigate your content. Once you've pasted the link, you'll see an option to insert it. Give that a click and voila! Your text now has a hyperlink. But we're not done yet. The final step is to save your changes by clicking Update. This crucial step ensures that all your hard work is not lost, and that your hyperlink is live for everyone who visits the page. Remember, if you don't click Update, your hyperlink will not be saved. That's it. You've successfully created a hyperlink in Confluence. This simple yet powerful feature will undoubtedly enhance your pages and make navigation much more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you feel more confident in managing your Confluence pages. Thanks for watching, and happy linking.